Look at this, everyone. Pre-showers. Ransom thunderstorms out of nowhere. This happens every single time in the summer, especially when it's very, very hot. Got the thunder, and you got the downpour. Oh. You know what sucks? Got the skates on. Oh, my panda. Oh, we got a little left. It's husky time. Yeah, man, look at this, man. This Ransom. With the lights, buddy. State law. Where's your lights? That's also city law. Cyclists gotta have lights. At least the sidewalks are clean. Let's get to that side. Dude, that's a beautiful shot, though. Look at the towers. Like the silhouette of it. You see the shadows on one side of the building? If you had a telephoto lens, that would be a good shot. Oh, it's getting worse? Oh, wow. I might have to step back, folks. Yeah, pretty intense right there. Oh, yeah, it's coming down harder. Oh, it is. At least some of you have a free car wash today. That's nice. Should be thankful for Mother Nature, you know. Gave you a free car wash. Or you could call it a pre-wash. Because you need a specialized soap to get the dirt off with these cars' paint. So, yeah. But sometimes rain does it. Just saying that in this condition, well, yeah, you can wash your car definitely. Oh dear, what is? You need a hug. You're so brave. Damn, look at the building, the silhouette. That is sick, bro. Damn, I wish I had a fucking 300 telephoto lens right now. That'd be sick. Just like the shadows. It's like, mind you, it's very symmetric too. Oh man, it is coming down hard right now. Oh man, we're gonna back up a little bit more. Did you guys get wet? I think you guys did. Oh, that's so sad. Oh, not good. Not good at all. But good for the sidewalks, like I said earlier. Wash out the doggy poop. Mother Nature just took a big fat dump on us. She was like, take that, humans. I'm going to actually ruin your evening. Ha ha ha. Take this, thunderstorm, bitches. Dude, but it's so beautiful though. When it rains, it is beautiful though. You see beautiful moments like her, whoever she is, brave. Wait. Look at this. Look at her. Look. If I zoom in, isn't that a good telephoto shot of her running in the rain? Dude, sick. Don't hate the vision. Hate the game. Sorry, I got the vision for it. I can see things. I'm telling you, I got that eye, baby. I got that eye. You know, that eye that sees shit. I see everything. See? It's settling down now. But look. You see the transition in the building? You see what I'm saying? Oh, look at that. That transition is sick. Oh. Just look. Doesn't it look beautiful? Oh, man. You guys don't appreciate good architecture. But alright, whatever. Goodbye, guys. Husky worm. Just chilling in the park and it's just like, hey, my name is Mother Nature. I got something to say. Fuck you. I'm taking a dump. If you like the humor in me, subscribe, like, and share, everybody. I'm Panda. I'm just a guy. I'm just like you and I. Listen, not perfect. I make mistakes. I go do mistakes. Take it with a grain of salt. But when Mother Nature shits on you like this, you just don't say shit. You just enjoy it. So with that said, everyone, thank you for watching. Appreciate it. And oh yeah, make sure you, if you want to support, there's the financial links down in the description. You join my Patreon first and foremost. Join that Patreon if you want to. There's a free membership, but the same, does help. But anyway, if you don't, if you want to help me even bigger, PayPal, Cash, and Venmo is open to you rich motherfuckers out there. And I see you in the next one. So dry out.